Microwave making a loud buzzing, humming, or vibrating noise. Stop using it right now, because this sound is not normal, and it could be a warning sign of electrical failure, magnetron damage, or even fire risk. In this video, I'll show you what causes buzzing sounds, which noise is dangerous, which ones are harmless, and what you can safely check at home, so you don't destroy your microwave or your kitchen. Let's start. Part 1. What buzzing sound actually means. Your microwave normally makes a soft humming sound. That's the transformer and cooling fan working. But if you hear loud buzzing, electrical humming, vibrating metal sound, or rattling noise, it usually means something inside is under stress. And microwaves operate with high voltage, up to 4,000 volts. So ignoring these sounds is risky. Fire Part 2. Most dangerous cause, magnetron problem. The number one cause of loud buzzing is the magnetron. This is the part that creates microwave energy to heat food. When the magnetron starts failing, it pulls more power, creates loud electrical buzzing, and produces uneven heating. Signs of magnetron failure. Food heats slowly, burning smell, loud vibration. Microwave shuts off randomly. If you hear buzzing plus poor heating, stop using it immediately, because a damaged magnetron can overheat and damage other components. Warning Part 3. High voltage diode or capacitor noise. Another hidden problem is the high voltage diode or capacitor. These parts store and control electrical energy. When they weaken, you'll hear a deep humming or buzzing, sometimes crackling sounds. Microwave may trip your breaker. This is dangerous. Capacitors store electricity even after unplugging. Never open a microwave casing unless you're trained. Cyclone Part 4. Cooling fan motor issue. Not all buzzing sounds are electrical. Sometimes the problem is mechanical. If your microwave sounds like grinding, whining, or uneven buzzing, the cooling fan motor may be failing. A bad fan causes overheating, poor ventilation, magnetron damage. Simple test. If the noise changes when you open the door, it's likely the fan. Magnet Part 5. Loose internal metal parts. Over time, screws and internal panels can loosen. This causes vibrations, rattling noise, buzzing during operation, especially common in older microwaves. This is less dangerous but still needs repair, because vibration can damage wiring. Fork and knife with plate Part 6. Turntable motor problem. Another common cause is the turntable motor. If the buzzing sound comes from the bottom, plate may rotate unevenly. Grinding noise occurs. Motor struggles to turn. This is usually cheap and easy to fix. Test tube Part 7. Simple home checks you can safely do. Before calling a technician, check these safe things. Remove the glass plate and roller ring. Clean them properly. Test microwave without plate. If noise disappears, problem solved. Check microwave placement. If the microwave is touching cabinet walls or sitting unevenly, it creates vibration noise. Place it flat and stable. Check inside cavity. Remove any metal clips, burnt food, aluminum foil pieces. These cause arcing and buzzing. Prohibited Part 8. What you should never do. Never do these mistakes. Never open microwave cover. Never touch internal parts. Never bypass safety switches. Never keep using loud buzzing microwave. High voltage can kill even when unplugged. Money Bag Part 9. Repair or replace. Decision guide. Repair is worth it if microwave is under 5 years old. Problem is fan motor or turntable motor. Heating still works. Replace microwave if magnetron is faulty, burn smell present. Repair cost is over 50% of new price. Stop sign Part 10. Final safety message. Remember this. Microwave buzzing noise is not just annoying. It's a warning. Ignoring it can damage your appliance, increase fire risk, destroy expensive parts. If you're unsure, stop using it and get it checked. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more appliance repair tips, and comment below what sound your microwave is making. I reply to every comment. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.